Hiya, my name is Alexander Rain. I live in Los Angeles, California, and thank you for this opportunity. I hope you enjoy my tape. We were supposed to see the snow. We were supposed to take the most perfect trip to Big Bear, and I was going to be with you the first time that you saw the snow. But that couldn't happen. We were supposed to have a million more firsts and lasts and all of it together. But we don't get that anymore. It's you, Car. I died thinking that I still needed to find my soulmate. Still needing that big love that everyone always talks about. But I had it. I have it. It's my best friend. It's you. And it took learning to love Ben and then myself, but it was all to get me back to you. And I think deep down I always knew it, but I was scared. Because it meant leaving for real. Forever. And I'm still scared. But our baby steps are going in different ways, and we have to take them on our own. You have to go to Morocco, Car. And I have to say goodbye.